Hello guys, welcome to CoderCrab. So today we'll see a very common design that generally we face. We get to work on this sometimes whenever you are working on some particular application and all. You will see a vertical timeline sometimes is needed to update most of the things in for the states or status of a product or something like that, right? So let's see. Okay. So this is the design we have. So if it is active stage, then it would be something like close to yellow color, and if it is failed or something like that, it will be red. If it is not yet is future state or something, it will be this color, and if it's successful, it would be this color, green color, right? So okay, so let's see. Let's start the design. So I have put the HTML for you guys so that it will be faster for us. So the HTML, let's see the HTML. It's having a container. The container is a section. Inside that we have a timeline wrap, which is having everything. So the container is a bigger one, and inside that we have a complete timeline wrap, and inside the timeline wrap we have individual timeline boxes. So whether if something is active, then that would be active. If something is failed, that would be failed. Something is complete, that would be complete. We can introduce more such classes, okay, according to our requirement. And then inside that we have a dot. So basically the dot is this one, and we have a timeline inner box, which is basically from here to here. And we have inside the timeline inner text wrap, which is basically this box. Okay, so let's see. Let's design this. So initially we have after the only without any CSS, the HTML looks like this. Now let's start. Okay, so body. First we'll design the body. Simple display flex. Then align items center. Justify content center. Okay, so let me copy this. I might be using it many places. Next is container. We have a container inside it. So container display flex, then width 100%, height 100 VH, then align items flex start, by content flex start. Okay, now we have overflow just in case anything goes beyond it. Okay, so the next class is we have timeline box. Okay, let's take it. Timeline box. Okay, timeline box, and inside this timeline box, what we can do is okay, so we have a timeline wrap around it also. Let's first put that. Okay, display flex, then align item center, justify content center. Okay, then here let's give a little bit margin to rem. Okay, okay, so now this should have a flex direction as column. Okay, now everything is one by one. Then okay, anything overflow, let's put auto for now. Okay, so now let's go to timeline box. So each timeline box would have display flex. That would be enough. Okay, for now. Okay, let's see. Then dot and then timeline inner box, right? So let's put dot first. Okay, so dot should be having a good border. Border 4 pixels solid. Let's say gray. Okay, I'll just change this gray to some thing around this. Okay, then let's see border radius 50% for circular. Okay, now let's give a width of 0.6 rem. Okay, height 0.6 rem. Okay. Okay, so this looks fine. Okay, so now we need to elevate this one, right? So let's put Z index for that. Let's put 9, background color little bit. Okay, light gray. Okay, now that's all. Dot is designed. Then we have this timeline in a box. Let's design this timeline in a box. Okay, so timeline in a box, we need a border for this, border left. Okay, 4 pixel solid. I'll give the same color as this background here. Okay, now it is here, so we need to overlap that thing, right? We need to take it to mid of this circle, right? So let's take margin left -5 rem. Uh, okay, so this is timeline box. Okay, so we have taken it without a display. So let's put the display flex. Okay, and then flex flex direction. Let's keep column, and then let's keep this. Okay, so let's keep some padding left also. Padding left, 1 rem would be enough. Okay, now this gap is there. Padding bottom 1 rem would be enough. Okay, okay, looks nice. Then here let's reduce. Okay, not circle, not yet. 6 5, yeah, fine. It's in circle, so don't worry about it. We'll set it. Okay, let's go to the most inner where we are putting our text. Okay, so now this is, we have display flex, align item center, justify content center, width, mean width 200 pixel, max width 200 pixel, cool. Okay, so now one more thing we've left here. Let's say flex direction is column. Okay, now everything is in a correct sorted manner. The only things are, let's say here we can add flex. Let's take out these two things. Let's put it to flex start. Okay, this is fine. Let's put the border. Border is 0.5 pixel solid gray. Initially, let's put gray. We can take it to a little bit lighter node. Then background color would be a little bit lighter as well. Okay, so that is now padding. Let's keep 0.5 rem. Okay, now border radius 3 pixel. Okay. So now our base is ready. Now we'll just decorate a little bit with a different statuses, right? So let's do that. This active state. So dot active dot. Okay. In this we have to take the border and the background. Okay. Let's keep these two for the other two classes, which are timeline inner box for active and timeline inner box text wrap. Okay, so let's put here 0.5 pixel. Okay, sorry, this is fine. 4 pixel border left. Okay, and this should be 0.5. Okay, now let's change this to for active. Let's take it little bit yellowish color. Okay, and this one should be fine. Then this color for these three of them, and this color for these two. Okay, so now as this is done, let's take it to complete. Okay, let's take it to complete. Okay, now this, let's take it up to some greenish color. Okay, and this would be something light green color would be fine. Okay, this color is done. Okay, now fail. Let's put the fail here. Fail would be something close to reddish color. So let's make this red. Okay, and this would be something lighter shade of red. So let's put this red. Okay, and this would be lighter shade. Okay, so this is done. Now this tail we need to delete. So let's go to the last one. We have given a time line here. Last. So let's put some border left here with the same as background color. So our background color is white. So let's make it white. Whatever background we want to use, you can use. And then here we can put a important. Okay, it's gone. So this is our timeline. Okay, so let's say you have something like this is as fail. If you want to mark fail, it would become fail. If it is fail, it will become fail. Okay, so anything we can put it according to our data comes from the API. Okay, or whatever data is there, we can put it. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you.